What's up, everybody? VP Tactical here, and today I wanted to do a very short video. Maybe you stored your AR15 or other firearm and it's been sitting for a little bit. Last time you put it away, you lubed it up, cleaned it, all that fun stuff, and you want to take it to the range, or maybe you're just wanting to do a quick clean on your rifle before you hit the range, and this is something you're just trying to get out the door fast. Well, what I would suggest, grab yourself a little bit of lube. We're going to open the bolt, which is already done. We're going to drop a couple drops of oil down in there. And then if you don't have one of these, this is a bore snake. So it is a device which has a little lead on it, metal piece or brass piece specifically. What you're going to do is drop some oil on this center section here. There's actually bristles, so this helps scrub the barrel and then clean out any deposits that are in there. So what I like to do is just drop a couple drops right there on that piece, kind of get it nice and lubed up. Now, again, the whole idea of this is quick and efficient. So we're going to take this little lead, we're going to drop it down into the chamber, and then feed that wire or that cable through until we get the piece down at the end. And then what you want to do is start pulling it through, but make sure this piece is back here, so that way it'll slide through, no problem. And then you just pull on the other end. And what this is going to do is clean and oil your barrel at the same time. So there's one pass, and then we'll go ahead, I'm going to oil it again. You have to oil it a second time? No, but I'm going to do it. And then same thing, we're going to drop this little brass piece right down in the chamber. Good God. All right, we got that brass piece down in that chamber. And feed the cable through. We're going to pull on that to take up most of that slack. Again, make sure that green portion is behind the chamber and not on the other side of the rifle. And then we're just going to pull this through. And that's it. That is a quick and easy way to lube and clean your AR barrel. We'll run this a few times, put a couple drops here on the bolt itself, and you are good to go. Hopefully this is helpful. Be safe, stay vigilant, and we'll catch you on the next one. I said these things are great to toss in the range bag, something quick and easy to use. All you need is a little bit of lube, and you can clean that barrel out within minutes. Take care, be safe, stay vigilant.